You seriously about to ask me for my 3-digit code? Hold on. Hello, beautiful people on the internet.
Hello, beautiful people on the internet.
Hello, beautiful people on the internet. Beautiful people on the internet. Hello, beautiful people on the internet. It's Izzy here, and I am back with another Legacies reaction. It is currently the next day after the episode airs. It's literally 7 o'clock in the morning, and I am doing this. I wasn't able to watch the episode live because I had to work, so I am now just watching it. I've been avoiding spoilers all night because I wanted to be able to react to it live, and like, not live, but like in person, like without getting spoiled about anything. So I have no idea what's going on. All I know is that it was a good episode for the gays, aka me. So I'm very excited for this, but I'm just not gonna waste any more time. Let's just get straight into it. Let's go. Okay, the carnival. Oh, not the sword.
Gotta make it all the way through to the end.
Uh-oh. I know Hope and Lizzie are there, so something's about to go down. I remember when they did the casting call for this. Oh, not the creepy little motherfucker. Not the creepy motherfucker. Is that blood? Oh, that's definitely blood.
Valentina?
She's gone.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Oh, is he a vampire? Oh, he's a vampire. I believe her. Creepy motherfucker. Look at the chills in my body right now. Oh gosh. Salvatore's girl. I saw that. Hi, Ben.
Alright, first stop on the tour. Pro tip.
I have other Ben. Or Jed. I have a feeling that bracelet isn't gonna work.
I think I took care of everything. MG is gathering the missing squad members. And my sectors
Finch! My baby, she's back.
Didn't I tell you? Sorry, there's been a lot going
Nobody's
on.
telling
But
Finch
our last problem is
anything.
about to be solved. As long as we gently break the monster.
Oh my god, poor baby.
For Miss Eve Bloom takes over.
Eve.
But before she arrives,
who?
there's something you should, which will never work, frankly. The
Oh
monsters
no,
will
there's
fight
another
over
monster.
You're surely going to die.
Oh, what the fuck?
You're going to die.
Oh my god.
Oh, good.
Oh yay, Hizzie.
You have to do whatever you say.
Not the fucking Sire.
I thought we were wish that I'd asked this question, but what kind of tests?
Okay, I don't know if she notices, but she has something on her foot.
As you are. Need I remind you?
Maybe they put him there on
Who's
purpose.
never around? Your father's an alcoholic vegetable, and your sister left you behind to go on a walkabout to find yourself. Oh, you see, your buttons are too easily pushed. It's the first time you were thought you were slightly should no shot at controlling your powers.
Oh my god.
You're useless to me. So consider this to be vampire 101. You're going to let me and my friends. Yeah. And you're gonna give me $40. Oh, don't worry. Compulsion's tricky.
You got some learning to do, Lizzie, and it's fine. You'll take your time.
What
What happened?
Swing this.
What happened to his other car?
I didn't. This is me right here.
God.
Speaking of, I'm guessing you
I'm still on the if with these two. These two have been like,
You got one stop today.
they've been on my list. They pissed me off a couple times, especially Caleb. Oh, are we gonna see Maya?
I've been off the squad for a minute.
Are we gonna see Maya? Because I would love to see Maya. Editing me. Yes, bitch. You are about to see Maya.
You're the only one who has a car.
I'm not the car. Oh,
And didn't keep secrets from the rest of us, you wouldn't have to do it alone.
the truth weed. The truth.
We're truth weighted too, aren't we?
Yep.
So,
Guys? I mean, girls, sorry. We got a problem. Everyone's going crazy out there. I know I'm supposed to be the alpha, but I'm terrified that if I try to stop it, no one will listen, and that'll really undermine my authority. Step right up!
Join the fun. Ladies, want to test your strength?
Yes.
3, 2, double.
Hi, baby.
All right.
The guy's probably like, what the fuck? Yep, that's probably what that happened. 0, 2, 0.
Sorry about
Oh, the guy is another vampire. Ooh, man. Hi, baby. Hi, love. Is that Aurora? Is that fucking Aurora? Shut up.
Eve.
No!
Your new mistress.
Damn it. Fuck.
Oh, that's funny.
Uh-oh. And Hope's back there like, I don't give a fuck.
My sister.
Oh, that hit her hard. And Hope's like, oh, fuck, here we go. I'm gonna go through this now.
Why don't you take that? Get yourself cotton candy or something, okay? We'll take care of it.
Oh, she's gonna be like, no, we're not.
She said the tone of things that way.
Yeah, that's why we're going this way.
I thought we were helping her.
And I thought you were smart enough to read between the lines. I need to be less reckless, remember? No extra complications. Helping out random strangers in need is the definition of complicated.
But the hope that you were with your humanity would
You're
do
going to
it.
introduce me to the pack. I see. Where should I go? Wherever
The
you want.
awkwardness. Oh, they're so cute.
Is something wrong? Like what? Like, I don't want to be around you, okay? Like, I just want to be alone.
Oh no! Oh, Jed, just say it, baby. Just say it. It's okay. What are you doing? Making another frog?
It's not your best work. Sorry. It's okay. She didn't ask about that at all.
She asked about Hope.
She wanted to know about that weird red oak tree that used to be in front of the
Oh,
school. And I figured I should tell an actress.
because she wants to kill Hope.
We need Dr. S. Well, he's in a coma. And we out here in Mayberry wilding without a play. Yeah.
Sure about that.
Oh my
This is
god.
so wrong.
It's that's so weird.
Dr. Saltzman.
Maya!
I mean, at first I didn't believe it, but we hear footsteps at night and we find that the TVs turn to football games and food goes missing all the time.
Yes, exactly.
MG. I can't with you right now.
I burned down the red oak tree. There's nothing left of it now.
They told me you was smart. You're a muse, yes?
Oh no.
Thanks for that, darling. It's been a long time since I felt a good aneurysm spell. But now it's my turn to show off.
Ah, I fucking hate this bitch.
Oh, let's go back. We can't just let an innocent person suffer at the hands of some Carnival freak.
Yeah? Oh, wait. We can. Okay. This is about Josie, isn't it?
What? No.
Oh, come on. Girl who lost her sister is all alone.
Okay, fine. Yes, I am the target audience for this sob story.
Congrats. Got what you wanted. Finally on your own. This partnership's over.
He talks about it all the time. He just keeps talking, just doesn't stop talking. Non-stop talking about it.
Spirit? You guys shouldn't have come.
We want to help you with your powers.
There's nothing wrong with my powers. All I want you to do is compel her to forget all of this and leave.
Oh, good. You're finally awake.
Oh my god.
I need your help to find something.
What are we?
Your subconscious.
You can't force me to give you inspiration.
Actually, she can, and she
But I can
probably
take
will, because she's that
Thanks
type
to
of
your
person.
calamus, right now, your mind is unguarded.
Oh god.
A feeling.
Can this bitch go away?
Am I getting in your mind?
Oh. Fuck. Oh, here's that guy.
Looking for you.
I don't like this light right here. This lighting. Miss Jenny Boyd. Oh, shit. Well, I should have seen that coming.
And they prefer creatures of the night. It's more elegant, and it's from the old days, back when there was decorum about keeping a low profile.
Well, she's not just a creature of night.
You see, we follow
So,
very strict rules.
be on the
so as not
lookout
to
for that.
break
She's a
those
little bit more than that.
Choose
Just a
others.
tiny bit.
Nevertheless.
Oh, wow. I would have bet real money that Lizzie was going to be the most annoying part of my day, but see, being vamp-splained by Colonel Sanders, that's a new low for me. That might be a little bit of a problem for me, if I only were a creature of the night.
Exactly. She's a little bit more, like I said. Oh, hello, baby.
They're not gonna do that.
There was another head.
Cool.
She's so proud of herself. I love it. Hi, baby.
That body spray or something?
You're hiding back here?
No, I'm just, hiding.
I know I'm not a part of your inner circle or anything, but from where I'm standing, that's messed up. I mean, Ben goes through life never feeling like he belongs anywhere, and he wanted to leave, but you convinced him to stay.
It's all jumbled and confusing, and I
Cause you
just feel
like
this
him.
pressure, like I'm gonna say the wrong thing to him.
Not the finger. Call for Hope. She'll come.
Listen, help me.
See, your humanity's in there, baby. Oh, that was quick. I love it. Oh, I love it.
Chat.
Damn.
I needed a solution to a problem, and the inspiration I received in reply was a vision of you. Tell me why.
Kill a Triber.
Fine then.
Yeah, 'cause
I
you're
shall have
God.
to do this the old-fashioned.
No offense. Kind of used to excruciating pain at this point. Occupational hazard.
I love that he's laughing.
Afraid of what I might do to all those who can't heal? If you don't start talking, I'm going back to the school.
God, this
and
bitch
killing
annoys the fuck out of
every-
me.
You know I killed Landon, right?
Oh,
And everyone just...
yeah, everyone just forgave you. You're welcome back at the school.
I'll be your family until they do.
Oh, not the... They're really... Okay, I'm gonna pause it real quick. They're really paralleling the whole, like, what Caleb said to him in season 1 to Ethan now. Come on.
I need 2 volunteers.
We'll do it.
Yes.
Not the hypnosis. Oh no.
You're mine.
Hope is about to do something. I'm gonna laugh so hard.
On the count of 3.
Oh my god.
I don't think it worked.
Perhaps your friend is a bit more docile.
Don't leave.
Who are you?
She's an original vampire, bitch. Okay. I love this team up so much.
I'm really good at playing pool.
I've always wanted to be the alpha.
Well, it's official. We can lie again.
I guess Josie was always the one who kept me in the loop.
Yeah, I miss her too. I was having all these feelings that were
Because you
confusing.
like him. Because you
Didn't make
like
sense
him.
until I think I like him.
Me too.
Oh, sorry. I know it's all kind of messy.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna cry.
See, I told you. You didn't need me today. You had it.
Oh.
I just told him what you told me the night I killed Landon.
Exactly.
He's my brother either way.
Aww.
And if you see Finch, tell her that I said hey. Or hi. Or whatever.
Oh man, I've always wanted to ride that thing.
Oh, well, there's something about that.
What comes next is gonna be scary. And hard. The pain will probably never go away.
Oh, not the necklace. Okay, I'm emotional.
No more carnivals?
Absolutely not.
You were right, by the way. After we find Aurora, maybe don't take it away. The connection, Sire bond, whatever.
Aw.
You see, I'm a great teacher. I should put on my own school. But the tribe is on.
Cause she feels that bond with Philip, that sisterly bond that she misses. Ben.
I tried, but it hurts when I try to do magic now.
Oh
I
no.
think whatever.
We're gonna need to warn the whole world.
Well. Damn it. Okay, so Landon wasn't in this episode. I thought it said that he was, but I guess not. That was a very interesting episode. It wasn't what I was expecting it to be. It wasn't very it wasn't as crazy as I thought it was gonna be. Jed, my baby. I love that he went to Finch, that he's going to Finch for all of it. Because that's like a friendship I want to see more of, is Finch and Jed. So I'm excited to see that. This Hizzie team up is amazing. Brett did say that the Sire bond was going to be something that we haven't seen before, and it looks like they're leaning towards kind of like a family-ish bond. It looks like Lizzie is trying to, use the Sire bond as a way to fill her void that was put there when Josie left. So it's gonna be an interesting dynamic to see. Obviously next week Hope is somewhere that kind of looks like Limbo. So, and then Landon's keeping a secret. What secret is he keeping? I can't think of anything that he would be keeping. Oh, that's gonna bother me the rest of the week. Thank you for tuning in to this reaction. I'm gonna go back to sleep because it's early, but I've been waiting to watch the episode, so it's here. Make sure to watch the Handon weekly episode. I was not in it, but I'm gonna watch it today. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.